Hello kids, let's learn alphabet, vocabulary together. Kids, repeat after me. A, for, ant. B for boat. C for cat. D for dolphin. E for earth. F for frog. G for giraffe. H for heart. I for ice cream. J for juice. K for key, B. L for leaf. M for mouse. N for notebook. O, for, owl. P for pig. Q for queen. R for ring. S for sun. T for tree. U for umbrella. V for violin. W, for, watermelon. X for xylophone. Y for yacht. Z for zebra. Clapping, you did very well.
Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.